master of freezing rain. Freezing rain is formed when a cloud of warm air is raining and the rain passes through a shallow but very cold layer of air. Freezing rain occurs in the east of the Appalachians in the U.S. Two examples of this killer storm is the Great Ice Storm of 1998, when a mixture of 5 smaller successful ice storms, which combined successfully struck a narrow part of land from the eastern Ontario to southern Quebec to southern Scotia in Canada. On November 11th, 1940, a devastating ice storm swept through the Midwest in the United States, swallowing Minnesota, Illinois, Wisconsin, Michigan. Some saw 27 inches of snow and over 6 inches of ice. The dangers is blackouts from heavy ice hanging from the power lines, and icy roads make vehicles very, very dangerous. Some safety precautions to use are travel unless absolutely necessary. Use extreme caution while driving, and a safety kit containing a radio, spare batteries, non-perishable food, drinking water, first aid kit, extra clothing, and blankets. Air mass has to do with freezing rain. By dense super chilled Arctic air beneath warm air allows for rain to be super chilled.